Nasdaq 100 last week yielded a bearish candle, but if you notice, you can find it has failed to break the preceding week's low at 17,860, and on the upside it has delivered lower highs, and it is confirmed that it is staying within the box. For last 8 weeks, 7 to 8 weeks, we can find that the Tech 100 is just staying within the box of 18,400 to 17,800. Now, what does this mean? Three bearish candles are done. Can we expect a reversal? Can we expect Tech 100 to stay bullish? Or we can look forward to a breakout below 17,800. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 in the coming week? And for the rest of the month of April, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share twice a day updates for Tech 100, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. These two updates set the direction for the day. Thus, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of the channel memberships here on YouTube. Let's start. First, we'll look into charts alone. With the help of candlesticks, we'll try to find out, and then followed with the indicators, and towards then combining the two, we will share the trading levels and strategy volatility. Now, if you look at the monthly charts for Tech 100, this is a long-term chart: rise, retracement, rise, minor retracement, and then the rise. So yes, we have seen a very strong rally in Tech 100 now, coming off from the lows at 11,000 to the highs at 18,400. Now, can you see the span of 15 months? We have seen almost a 60% rise. So can we consider that the retracement is here, and can we expect the reversal process to start? Now, if you look at the monthly charts, it is certainly going to stay in the consolidation. That is what it appears, not certain, but it appears that it is going to end the month with a symmetrical candle, or rather it may consolidate. See the highs and the lows, it is trying to stay in the same zone, and if it breaks past the 17,860 zone, we can look forward to 17,780, and if it drops below 17,780 and 17,700, these are the three key levels it needs to break. Because see, what are the two other possibilities? Lower highs, lower lows, try to move towards 17,600 at first, and on the upside, if it breaks beyond 17,400, that 18,400 appears to be a stronger wall which it is not willing to break, because once it breaches beyond 18,400, we are looking forward to a stronger rise. What I can definitely sense is it is trying to form a symmetrical candle, and hence even if it tries to move towards 18 17,600 700 zone, it can try to close the month at around 18,000. That is what is possibly appears to be one of the cases here. But if you look at the movement, see, certainly it is bullish. I will not say that it is turned bearish as long as 17,400 levels are taken in this month. I will not say that Tech 100 has turned bearish. And if it drops below 17,400, it will open the doors for a bearish move for the next few months. Be watchful of this. Right now, I will not say that it is turned bearish. Coming to weekly, if you look at weekly charts, see bullish candle, retracement, same lows, again a bullish candle, higher highs and retracement. Yes, it has failed to break below 17,800. Now three candles are done, and a possible reversal can be expected, and thus we can see Tech 100 is staying within the zone here, and hence as long as 17,860 levels are not taken, we should not be treating Tech 100 as bearish. Below 17,860, it is 17,800, and as I say that, see, right now it is staying in this flag formation. It has hit the bottom. It has to break on the downside towards 17,400 level in order to confirm the complete reversal and the bearishness for the next few weeks. Else, you can say that it is still staying in this bullish channel here. Now, also on the weekly charts, you can find a stronger rise, retracement, stronger rise. So it appears that this is the time for Tech 100 to retrace. How far it can retrace towards 17,000 levels, 16,800 levels appears to be a possible feasible target if it reverses from the current levels. Coming to daily chart. Now, similar observation on the daily chart. See, you can say that lower highs, higher lows are getting observed here. Consolidation undergoing. See, one sharp reversal, again a sharper drop. Also, if you look at higher lows and higher highs, staying within the zone here. It has failed to break the lows of the preceding two candles, suggests that the prices are shying away, and thus we need to wait for a breakout here. A breakout is what will confirm that it is turning bearish. Else, I will still say that there are greater supports on the downside. You can very clearly see what has happened here. it can continue to stay in the zone. Coming to 4 hour. Now the observation is similar on the 4 hour charts. You can say that after retracement it is bounced back, and see the support levels are intact here, which are right now situated at 17,950. So observing the support, it is trying to reverse. If you see the complete move, what it has done, a stronger rise nullified all the gains, and we still it has bounced back. That is most important, because see, if it were bearish, it has to have a breakout, and then we could have seen a further drop. But this could happen in the very first trading session as well. But looking at the moment, it appears that it could retest towards 18,200 before reversing. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators on the monthly charts. Rise retracement, moving averages have started to diverge, are looking upwards and are staying bullish. It may try to start converging. What has happened here can be replicated here, which means 16,000 levels or a little higher levels are achievable in the next few months. If the current candle closes in red and the next candle starts in red, I'm giving you a preview for the next 2 months as well, that it can continue to trade bearish in this zone and move towards 16,000, and let the moving average also climb up towards 16,000. Stochastic, monthly stochastic is overbought. This calls for it to look forward to a drop here. MACD. Now this is interesting. If you look at MACD on the monthly charts, a sharp drop was seen here. Now since the crossover, we have seen the lines trading with divergence and looking upward. So it has still got the bullishness. What it is trying to do, it is trying to converge a bit. Means it is not a long-term bearishness which is getting observed here in Tech 100. It is trying to retrace and converging here for next 2 to 3 months. Again, we may see a rise. So what has happened here can get replicated here as well. Where three red candles are seen, it can show you three red candles and again bounce back. RSI is near to overbought zone. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, I've shared several times, the more the divergence, the chances of convergence increases. Right now, the 20 period moving average sitting at around 17,400, and that is why also I say that it has to break below 17,400 in order to stay bearish. Else, taking the support here from 17,400, we can expect a very strong recovery as well. As you can see, Tech 100 might try to remain in this channel itself. Stochastic was overbought, it has cooled down. See, without any significant change in price, we have seen the MACD cooling down sharply. If you look at stochastic cooling down sharply, now look at MACD. Now this is important. See, MACD has seen a stronger rise, retracement, again a rise. Now see, where are these levels? These are close to 800. And if you look at the highs, see, these highs you have not seen in fact the post-COVID recovery, or historically also. If you see, we have not seen such highs in the history for Tech 100 on MACD. Now, this makes a stronger case for MACD to cool down, which means that the prices might try to trade lower from the current levels. The crossover here is a sign that this is the first red candle, and we can see series of red candles from here where the prices might. RSI was overbought. It is so on the weekly charts with the help of MACD, it appears that there could be a breakdown of prices. Be watchful here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, moving averages have started to converge. We have seen them running parallel. If we have not yet seen crossing over, but also we can see it is getting support from the 50 period moving average. That is very, very important. Stochastic has cooled down. MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. We have to wait for it to converge crossover. So on the daily charts, it appears that if you look at the daily charts, one must notice the rise, the retracement, and if it crosses over here, this will lead to a rise. So there are contradictory views coming in from the weekly charts and the daily charts. On the daily charts, there is a possibility of a reversal as well if it crosses over, and thus in between this zone, that is 17,800 to 18,400, we have to be extremely cautious. R has dropped, it is looking downwards. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, moving averages crossing over here, signs of bearishness. But yes, it has formed a support, and you can see the prices are just struggling with the median here. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking down. The RSI has also dropped here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies such that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 15th of April. What do we do in this batch? We teach all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have developed over the years of experience. With the help of which you can trade comfortably, you can identify the profitable trades with ease, identify the profitable trends with ease, and trade profitably. So, yes, do not miss to join. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals, you can acquire hundreds of points in a single day. So, write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the subject. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, yes, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. It offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. It is available across the globe. It is a regulated broker. So join now and stop wasting your money by paying higher fees to the brokers. Now, let's talk about the levels to buy. See, I will recommend you to buy here at 18020 itself, 18050, first and nearest resistance 18100, a very good one. And then between 18100, though 18140 is the minor one, but I will be looking forward to 18200 levels. Now, these levels will remain applicable on the daily charts and on the weekly levels as well. I am sharing the micro level because see, prices can reverse strongly as long as it stays between this zone. And once it stays beyond 18200, the chances of bullishness will increase where we will look forward to 18280, 18330. Now see, all of these levels we have seen in last few weeks are getting respected beautifully. 18370, 18400, the ultimate one. If in any case Nasdaq 100 breaks beyond 18400, this time we are looking forward to a stronger rise towards 18500, 18650, and then towards 19000 levels. If it breaks out beyond 18400, certainly we can say 18400, 18500, we can say that the bulls will be taking over and we can look forward to a stronger rise. See, it is still, we are still in the middle of the month, it has still not breached the lows here, and thus a recovery also cannot be denied. We should not avoid or any case which is not, which is possible rather. So you should not avoid any such case, you should just stick to the levels. Now on the downside, where you can take a sell in, very easy, sell at 17950, below which you can expect 17880. Rather, I will here 17910 is the first support, 17860 is the next, and if it breaks below 17860, then we can look forward to 17800 and 780 levels. Now, once Tech 100 draws below 17800, 780, you can say that the bears will take over, and I will look forward to 17700, 17600, and then if it breaks below 17600, we are looking at 17400. So as long as 17400 is respected, chances of a reversal will be very very high. Below 17400, it's a crash. We are waiting for 17000 and 16800. Below that, a sharper drop can be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.